Westwind was established in 1998 and it's currently running its residential program out of Kelowna, BC.
Westwind welcomes individuals with a variety of eating disorders and disordered eating struggles. The treatment at Westwind is supportive and individualized and strives to help each client address the factors that are maintaining the eating disorder in their life. Westwind is unique in that we offer a really comfortable and beautiful home space where everybody has their own bedroom. And the recovery experience here is very supportive and collaborative with each of our clients.
As like a clinician, I'm very relaxed when I show up to work, and it's like I'm coming to my second home. So it's really amazing to provide that like opportunity for clients as well. When we have residential clients, I get to see them every single day for 5 days a week. So we get to build a lot of like really awesome relationships. We do groups with them consistently throughout the day, and then we do have like our one-on-one sessions. So it's really awesome, but I just find we get to know people on a different level and get to support them.
Westwind simulates a home environment as much as possible, so the skills that clients are learning here can be simulated in their home environment. So we create a real-life experience with support and guidance of our team. We focus on, in terms of developing a collaborative meal plan with our clients, but we also work at addressing all the maintaining factors. So it's a complete whole approach to get them on the road to full recovery.
I feel really honored and privileged to be a part of like a really important part of people's lives, and you know, I get to bear witness to a pretty amazing journey, and that really motivates me. And I think part of what makes Westwind unique is that we do get to develop that relationship with clients, and I think it's just really meaningful and powerful.
We use evidence-based approaches, including cognitive behavioral therapy, acceptance commitment therapy, and work with the clients in terms of what is strategic for them.
What's unique about this program is that we do get to know clients more like outside of sessions, because it's a home environment, so that helps a lot with the therapeutic relationship, being able to build that strong connection with them, and that can obviously benefit the recovery too, to feel like they're supported and they're seen and validated.
Westwind also offers online support through our Rise Online program options, which can include online meal support or individual sessions with our registered dietitians or counseling team. If you're struggling with an eating disorder and considering treatment, we encourage you to reach out and connect with us through a phone call, or you can email us through our website at westwindcounseling.ca.